Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna show you how to create estimated quantity report, short for EQR. That's what I usually call it, EQR, which is short for estimated quantity report, which is basically all the Excels of the quantities. They're gonna be all combined by a tool from FDOT, and then they're gonna create a PDF, and the PDF is the estimated quantity report, with the cover page, which is later on in the future is going to be signed and sealed by the engineer of record. So first thing first, let me show you the tool. The tool that we're going to be using is you go to your FDOT Connect workstation, either if it's 1010, 1011, or even 1012 in the future. DOT did not change the name of it, it's still the same. Summary Reports Builder. As we see the tool here, that's where the input is of the spreadsheets, the XLS, and then the PDF, which is the output. If I clicked on this, I do not see a way to go to Projectwise. And that's one of the problems that we have with FDOT tools, that they are not working with Projectwise. In the Projectwise, all my Excels are saved inside the calculation folder. So the workaround that we're gonna do is we're gonna export these Excels locally, run this tool locally, create the report, and then get all the output back to Projectwise. So from my previous video, I already showed you guys how to create basically a copy canvas of project structure, the same as in Projectwise. This is the project with all these stuff. As we see, we have it here. So please refer to the general video that's showing you how to do that. So now, since we have that already here, we're gonna go to calculations. As you see, I have it empty here. But here, calculations, I already have them here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight all of them. And these are supposed to be already done, QC'd and all of that, are final. Do not attempt to create a report till you are done. When I say you are done, I mean you went through every Excel of your discipline. You made sure whatever quantities there are the same quantity that you are going to, or the same quantity in your DGN files. That's when I mean they are done. And then let's export them. I already did it, so I'm just gonna take them, as you see, to the same place here where I have it locally, but inside the calculation folder. Okay, now we have them, all of them here. Let me minimize this. So now we have them here copied. Next thing we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need the cover page. Let me show you where we can find the cover page, or at least the template of the cover page. Go to your C drive and then go to your, if it's FDOT Connect 10 or 11, I'm just using 10 for now. But DOT usually, they rarely change their structure, it's the same location. And then after that, go to organization civil, and then inside the FDOT, and then data templates. And here usually DOT, where they put all their Excels that are expected to be used. They have the professionals. We'll talk about that later. Well, not in this video. I'm trying to make a video for what is this and how to use it. So for now, let's just go to calculations. And as you see here, we have the UR signature, and inside you have all the empty Excels that you're supposed to fill automatically from your DGN. So we're gonna get this one. I'm just gonna copy it, go back to my project location. Let's go to calculations, and then I'm just gonna paste it here. As you see in Projectwise, I already have it because I already done it. So what I'm gonna do is, I already showed you where to get it from. I'm just gonna copy this. Let's export it actually. Let me take this outside. Yeah, let's export this. Here you go. We have it here. Let's look at it. Here we go. We have it here. As you see, it's filled with all the information, which is basically what we have to do. Just gonna close it. Let's try to do it together. I'm just gonna bring again the empty one here. So let's open it, because I want you to see how it looks empty. This is how it looks empty. The red spots is basically where you have the information that you need to fill. And here where you put the seal of the EQR. So, and of course, the other thing that you have to do, for example, if I have the project number, if I have the project number, I'm gonna write the project number here. Whatever it is, we can change that. Just, I guess, don't forget to change the color to black. Just make everything black after you change it. And so on and so forth. Just fill all these and put the colors in black. And then how to put the seal graphic. There are multiple ways of doing that. How I like to do it is, since I already have this one, let's just go to this. Okay, this is just a PDF. It already has been done. And you know who's your EQR. This is one way of doing it. Click on the snippet tool. Snip it like this. Copy it and then go back to the Excel. Paste it here. And then do it from the corner. Like that. Try to go inside that designated area. And then it's up to you how clean and neat you want to do. You can crop it more if you want. You can leave it. It's up to you. But this is one of the easiest way of doing it, because you only need the graphic of the EQR here, and then file, save, you are done. So let's close that. I'm not gonna save it. Okay. Now let's go back to Projectwise. So now I'm gonna export it again, so you can override this. This is the empty one. Export, because I already have it. Yes. Okay, as you see, we already have it here, so let's open it. So this process is, what we need to do is, we just gonna need to have this as in one folder. I mean, in one PDF page, which is gonna be the cover. As you see, all the information are here with the graphic. Everything is done, good, kabish. So one thing that I see here that I don't like is, as you see this page right now, if I clicked on print and I want to print it to a PDF, you see it's have 1 to 2. I don't like that. I want it to just be one page. So how to fix that? Sometimes they happen. It's just an extra line went here. You can just delete this, and ta-da, now it's one page. And now you see page 1 of 1 here. So now click on file, either save as or print. Both of them will work. We can do save as if you want, or print. But we're not gonna print it or save as it inside the calculation. We have to go to estimates folder. Here we're gonna save as it or print it as a PDF. And then as you see here, and then select a PDF. Here, I already have one, so let's just try another one. Yep, replace it. Oh, okay, I already have it open. Let me close it. Okay, so save. Ta-da! Here we go. Now we have the cover page. One page only with the information filled. Okay, then close everything, don't save. And then after you are done with this, you know you finished it, just drag it from here, bring it back to Projectwise, and then go to Estimates folder. You're gonna have the cover here. Go again to your Projectwise estimate folder and drag it and bring it here. As you see, we already have it here because this is from our previous work. So now let's just create the report, which is basically, this is the report. It's gonna look like this. So let's just create one. Let's go fire up the tool. Summary report builder. Let's guide the tool to top one is gonna go to calculations, where the Excels are. As you see, the moment I wrote calculation, you already find out that I have to go to estimates for output, and you see you have all of them. You get to select all of them to be populated, or you get to select one or two, or however you want. So I'm gonna select all. Another thing is, which is I don't want you to freak out or wonder why. I don't know how DOT does this, but that's how they did it. You see here, we do not see EQR signature Excel, even though that Excel, it is here in calculations. The way they programmed this, it's only gonna go find these Excels and it's gonna ignore this. Why? Because the step that we did is we have to save it as PDF, and we have, it's a must to put it here as a PDF. I don't know why DOT decided to do that, but that's how they do their things. This is the only one you have to change it to a PDF and save it here. So somehow this tool is smart enough to go pick up all these Excels, and from estimates gonna spit all those Excels in a PDF format while also capturing this and putting it as a cover. So yeah, let's just do it together now. Let's just click on create. Let's click OK and see what's gonna happen. As you see, what's doing here right now, it's kind of like creating them, and then whoop, you see, merge them automatically to make them into one PDF. See, it's not that complicated, but ta-da! Now we have the document. As you see, it put the cover page here, and this is what I like about it, that he actually put the number in here in the corner, and he put the dates. This is why this is an important document. Later on, it's going to be signed and sealed digitally by the EQR. This is why you have to use the tool to combine them, because somebody will say, oh, I can just combine the Excels manually or convert the Excels to PDF without combining them. Well, yeah, you can do that, but you're not going to have page 1 out of 81. You're not going to have the dates. And it will automatically organize all of them per order too, which is something I like about it. It will start from like the 0101 pay items and put the tables in the right order. You keep going down per like the hierarchy of priority of pay items groups. So within the Excel, it will order them from like the least one, and then within the report, it will start with like the first one that is usually in the DQE in the Ashton website. I mean in the what's that website? What is it? The transport website. First of all, they usually do the lump sum up top, and then after that, TTCP plans, items, and so on and so forth. It combined all the Excels and made them in a PDF document. As you see, everything's here till the last page. 81. And then let's close this. Last thing you need to do is, let me just copy this. Okay, is the naming convention. the tool will spit it out. It literally will write this dash estimated quantity, and it will just get the name of how you are naming your project. Because the people who made this in the Projectwise for us here, they named the project like this, but to follow DOT convention naming, you just have to rename it, and here type the project FP ID number with no dashes, just the number. So, and then after that, as you see, we have it here. You just select these and then whoop, drag them to your estimate folder in Projectwise. I'm not gonna do that because we already done this here, but that's how you do it. So yeah, with that, thank you so much. I hope this video helped. Have a wonderful day.